The referee blows the whistle. 22 players suddenly stop running. Then everything is carefully planned. By the end of this, you'll understand every major set piece in football and why they often decide the biggest matches. First things first. A set piece is any restart where play begins from a fixed position after the referee has stopped the game. Think of it as pressing pause, arranging the pieces, then pressing play again. Let's go through them. Number 1. The kickoff. This starts each half and restarts play after every goal. The ball begins on the center spot. The opposing team must stay outside the center circle until the ball is kicked. Simple. The easiest set piece in football. Number 2. The throw-in. When the whole ball crosses the touchline, play restarts with a throw-in. The touchline is the line running along each side of the pitch. The team that did not touch the ball last gets the throw. Both feet stay on the ground. The ball comes from behind the head. It sounds easy. Professional players still get it wrong occasionally. Number 3. The goal kick. If the attacking team touches the ball last before it crosses the goal line without scoring, the defending team gets a goal kick. The ball is placed anywhere inside the goal area. That is the small box in front of the goal. From there, the defending team starts building another attack. Number 4. The corner kick. If the defending team touches the ball last before it crosses their own goal line without a goal being scored, the attacking team earns a corner. The ball is placed inside the corner arc. Crosses fly in. Defenders panic. Goalkeepers become very busy. Corners create some of football's biggest moments. Number 5. The free kick. A free kick is awarded after most fouls. There are 2 types: direct and indirect. A direct free kick can be kicked straight into the goal. An indirect free kick cannot. Another player must touch the ball first. The referee raises an arm to signal an indirect free kick. A useful clue if you know where to look. Number 6. The penalty. The most famous set piece of them all. A penalty is awarded after certain fouls inside the penalty area. The ball is placed on the penalty mark. 12 yards from goal. 1 kicker. 1 goalkeeper. Everyone else waits outside the penalty area. In theory, the attacker has the advantage. In practice, goalkeepers still produce unforgettable saves. So why are set pieces so important? Because they remove chaos. For a few seconds, everyone knows exactly where the ball will be. Teams spend hours practicing these situations. Some even have special routines. A routine is a planned movement that every player has memorized. Think of it like a rehearsed dance, except someone is trying to stop it. Many tight matches are decided by a single set piece. Not because of luck, because preparation beats improvisation surprisingly often. The next time the referee stops play, do not switch off. Watch where the players move before the ball is kicked. That is where the clever part begins. The game has not changed. You have. Now you know how every set piece works. You're welcome. Subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. It means a lot.